Ladies and gentlemen, we've got Ivy Von Proof and Puddin', a very gorgeous bi-black German Shepherd female in here. She's a year and a half of age now. Taking the opportunity to really update some of her videos, let you guys have a look at this stunning and powerful young lady. She's got really sharp obedience, really crisp execution of her obedience, and very solid bite work. She's a force to be reckoned with when it comes to bite work. She's a very strong barker behind the door when strangers come and knocking at the wrong hours of night. Also, very solid prey drive to balance the defense drive. And you can see with those crisp executions of the commands, this dog understands that she has to work for the handler in order to gain a bite on her favorite decoy. You see that guy's really bringing some pressure there. And all that happens is she wags her tail and bites down harder. Ivy's not even remotely impressed with his level of threats. She is an absolute beautiful brawler. Whenever I'm looking at a personal protection dog for my family or for myself, I'll be honest, a dog like Ivy is something I look for. Something that's very obedient, very strong, but also brings a ton of fight into the bite work, a lot of attitude and a lot of sass. And she's great in the home, but as you see in this demonstration that we're shooting here, she's a force to be reckoned with. See that loose leash? That right there is very impressive as well. Right back into obedience without pleading, without a lot of heavy leash work, and just off. So, Ivy Von Proof and Puddin', a year and a half of age now. Check that video out. That was sharp.